In front of me is Honor Pad V9 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show up. When it does, select Remove. Then confirm your choice in the second one. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my Google search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, pinch your device's display. Click on Cards at the bottom left corner. Scroll all the way down and click on Classic Widgets at the bottom. Then hold Google search bar, drag it, place it wherever you want to, and tap on Home button. To scale it, hold it, and drag this little icon. Then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!